Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
You are breathing. Your heart is working. Your body is here. But you are not fully here. Most people never notice this because nothing looks broken. Life moves. Days pass. Conversations happen. Responsibilities get handled. From the outside, everything seems normal. But inside, something feels muted. Not pain, not sadness, just distance. You wake up, but you don't arrive. Your eyes open, but your attention is already gone. Before your first real thought appears, your hand reaches for distraction. Before you feel yourself exist, your mind escapes. And slowly, quietly, without any dramatic moment, you begin living next to your life instead of inside it. This video is not here to motivate you. It's not here to fix you. It's here to help you notice something you've stopped noticing. Because the most dangerous way to disappear is not to vanish. It's to stay alive without being present. Autopilot feels harmless, efficient, comfortable. The brain loves it because it saves energy. Same routes, same habits, same reactions, same emotional patterns. You stop choosing, you start repeating, and repetition slowly erases sensation. That's why years start feeling shorter. Not because time is speeding up, but because nothing new is being registered. Your brain remembers what you feel, and autopilot removes feeling. Life becomes smoother, but emptier. You don't feel bored because life is boring. You feel bored because you are absent. Autopilot doesn't steal your success. It steals your experience. And the scariest part is this: it feels normal. No one wakes up and says, "Today I will disconnect from my life." It happens in fragments. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. A scroll that lasts longer than you expected. A video playing while your thoughts drift somewhere else. Time doesn't disappear loudly. It leaks. And you don't feel robbed. You feel occupied. Busy feels productive. Occupied feels safe. But presence is rare. Most people don't lose their life in tragedy. They lose it in distraction. There was a man who did everything right. He worked. He provided. He stayed busy. Years later, while looking at old photos, something felt wrong. He remembered events, but not feelings. Birthdays without memory. Vacations without presence. Moments without awareness. Nothing dramatic had happened. No collapse. No failure. And that's what terrified him. He didn't lose his life all at once. He lost it in pieces. Not years. Not decades. Moments. The moment he checked his phone instead of noticing how he felt. The moment he rushed through conversations instead of being there. The moment he chose distraction because presence felt too real. He didn't lose time. He lost awareness. And time followed. Distraction feels good for a reason. Presence is uncomfortable. When you're present, you feel things you've been avoiding. Uncertainty, loneliness, unanswered questions. Distraction is anesthesia. It doesn't solve pain. It pauses awareness. That's why silence feels heavy. That's why stillness feels awkward. Not because something is wrong with silence, but because silence removes the escape. There was a woman who lived fast, always connected, always reacting. One quiet afternoon, without any crisis, she realized something painful. She didn't recognize herself anymore. Her thoughts weren't hers. Her attention wasn't hers. Her reactions weren't chosen. She wasn't unhappy. She was unpresent. And the pain wasn't regret. It was realization. You cannot remember what you never felt. Life doesn't need more goals. It needs more awareness. Meaning doesn't come from achievement. It comes from attention. The same moment, fully felt, is richer than 1,000 moments half-lived. Presence doesn't change your life overnight. It changes how much of it you actually live. Right now, where are you? Are you here or just watching? Notice your breath, your body, the silence between thoughts. No lesson, no motivation, no pressure, just awareness. Because the moment you notice you're not present, you already are. If this video felt uncomfortable, that's a good sign. It means you were here. You don't need to fix your life tonight. Just don't disappear from it again. Sit for a moment. Notice that you're alive. And this time, stay.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined. Stay Clarify.